Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Elijah, you ready?
Hi.
Hello. Where are we going?
Yeah.
It's been a long time since we sat behind this camera.
This is an awkward feeling, actually.
It is. I don't know how to vlog anymore.
Well,
Alright, we can tell the story.
let's give you the scoop. We are in our home. This is the living room of our newly bought piso, or apartment. We're here. It's like been a great time. We have my mom here. We had my little brother.
It's really the first true moments that we've been living here, and we just happened to come with the whole family, so it was a little crazy to say the least.
Yeah. Do you want to have a child yet? Ooh.
Are you naked in our sink?
I want to do it. I want to get
Are you taking a bath in my sink?
No.
Yes, you are. My brother is 2 years old. A little bit more.
Oh, it was all crazy to start with. It's also the holiday times, and we came with a lot of luggage. I mean, we were moving from the United States. And yeah, we were with a 2-year-old. I think we can say we can wait.
That's a good birth control.
Okay, let's go. He's out. Also, it was just a good dose. It'll push that back. Is that a baby cut?
No.
You taking baby shots? It wasn't that bad.
No.
It was manageable.
It was nice to have them around.
Yeah. But we did have to keep him entertained a lot. On the plane, on the train, on the bus.
We came here right before Christmas. You ready for Santa? That was something we were looking forward to. For many reasons. One of the reasons because we had a great surprise for my mom, which we'll talk about.
Right now, right?
Well, no, I mean, so when we got here, I mean, there was nothing here. There was the bare necessities.
We basically settled in. But on top of that, we did a little bit of exploring, and of course we celebrated Christmas.
Hey, E! Hey, Cheese.
Say hey, Gregory. And we did that all together as a family, which was, it was nice to bring the first Christmas in that way.
Surprised. Albert was surprised. He couldn't help spitting his water out. His classmates couldn't believe it. They watched their flames all disappear. That's hair.
Mommy.
Yeah. Mommy's hair.
We did keep it somewhat chill because this magnificent Christmas gift that we had for Tony's mother was
To go to the town that our family was from in Italy.
yes.
Ascoli Satriano.
So months before we even came out to here, we had this grand idea that we were gonna buy these tickets to fly out to Bari, Italy.
We told my mom the day before, so she had time to pack, because it was Christmas when she learned that we were flying to Bari, Italy.
But nevertheless, we flew out on the 26th of December, so it was all very quick and very sudden. Getting on the airplane! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Run, run, run!
So we had some cool Airbnbs that we kept telling my little brother were Auntie's house.
Aisha, we made it! They even set up the sofa bed for us. This is And you have a crib! Oh my gosh! Wow. 5 stars. Look, you have a crib! Well, he came up with that himself, didn't he?
No, I said
Maybe we told him, but he continued
I
to call
said-
them.
we're going to go to Auntie's house.
Auntie was never there. The first night we arrived to Bari and it was kind of in the evening, so we were just gonna keep it real relaxed. So we get to Bari and we ate at this place called Bari Napoli Pizzeria.
Oh yeah, that was the first night.
Pistachio. Whatever yours is. Yum. And whatever mama's. Yum. Say yum.
No.
We had a pizza for each one of us. And it sounded like a lot, but we ate it up.
She had a pistachio pizza.
I did.
Yummy, yummy.
And you know
What
what?
is Simo?
I've heard a lot of haters talk about, oh, I heard pizza in Italy isn't even good. That was a lie. That was really good. I had good pizza.
Who said that to us though?
I don't know. People have said that.
Forget them.
People say that. Forget them. But anyways.
The next day is when we took the time to explore Bari.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Bari is cool because it sits on the sea and it has this really cool old center that is like enchanting. Very tight.
Yeah.
You know, the exact idea of what you might think southern Italy might look like.
It's like an amusement park. I mean, it's underrated. I'm surprised.
Don't say amusement park. That sounds bad.
No, I know.
This is a functioning.
I know, but I mean amusement park as in like it's so beautiful that I was like, is this real?
It seems like a Disney movie.
Especially because nobody, I mean, it's not that I hadn't heard of Bari, but it's not like people say, oh, I'm going to Bari, Italy. It's always like Rome or Florence or, you know?
So, I mean, wandering these streets of Italy is the best thing you could ever do, is just have not a destination in mind.
Yeah.
Or maybe meander to get to a destination, which is what we did.
Yes. Except for one thing. We really had only one thing on the list of things that we had to do while we were in Bari. And
Wait.
it was...
What do you think of, other than pizza, when you think of Italy?
I don't know.
Pasta.
I was gonna say
Pasta.
I was gonna... Where are we at? Do you know the name of the street?
This in English would be Pasta Street. Where they make pasta, if you didn't realize. Make sure you get that. Honestly, if you didn't look it up prior to coming, you would have missed it. It's super tiny, and if you go like at certain times, there will be no one.
It really is just little old ladies on the street prepping fresh pasta and selling it like a little market.
Oh, what was it called? Orcchiette?
Orcchiette?
So my mom is gonna eat old lady's hand pasta.
That we just got off the street. Is it good? It's holy. Can I try a little piece? That's so weird to have pasta like that. Like,
Show
it's not hard as
show
a
where
rock.
we just purchased it from.
Wow.
Wait,
Fresh pasta, wow.
Want to taste?
Mama, daddy.
It's not bad. It's dough.
Yeah, it's just dough.
I got fresh pasta.
what types?
We got some of that. We continued exploring. I think we ate lunch at a spot called Viogla Pane e Vino, which was really good. It was
In a
little
beautiful plaza, and honestly the best sandwich I've ever.
Great sandwiches. Wow.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Let me ask Dre what that is in Spanish.
Sandwich doesn't even seem like a good enough
Right,
word.
yeah, sandwich sounds like
It was
white
good.
bread and
And we're gonna say, take a bite. Again. You just like everything.
Do it again, Dre.
All right, ready? So,
First, we're gonna take the bread.
It was very good. And after that, we kind of made our way to like the marina area, and that was cool because, you know, it seems like there was very few tourists, and I don't know if that's because of the pandemic, but on any other given year, traveling throughout Europe, there's just tourists, a lot of tourists all the time, and you know, it seemed pretty Italian. So sitting by this marina and, you know, chilling in the sun and having a beer that we got, and everyone who was around us, you know, was speaking Italian, and they were just hanging out, so we felt kind of local, kind of cool.
We are at the end of, I guess, where the boats are held. It's not really a marina, but more importantly, this seems like a spot where everybody comes to have a drink before the festivities begin.
What festivities? Any kind?
There's a few scents going on. The holidays, so there's no telling what's gonna happen.
Elijah, you want to join the festivities?
Say yes.
Money.
Yes.
150 times 3.
Come la città vecchia oppure alle spalle, a cacciare. Tu fai l'ufficio alle spalle di notte.
The next stop is Puglia, because you couldn't really go from Bari to the town of my ancestors, which is Ascoli Satriano.
Wait. We will get to that. But first, look at the pasta I made that night with the fresh pasta.
Non potrai farcelo ogni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girano, delle belle tornando al riposo, narcisetto gino d'amor, delle belle tornando.
May I see a smile from the chef?
Happy December 27th.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, baby.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby. You said, oh yeah, baby. Originally, we were going to... include our whole trip in Italy, which was later going to Foggia and Ascoli Satriano, but it made for a really long video. So instead, we're gonna cut straight to the part where we come back to Bari so you can see how our night in Bari was, and this video will just focus on that. Last night in Bari!
Bobby.
The next video will be part 2 of this trip, where you can see how we go to Ascoli Satriano, the town where Tony's family is from, and how we even met some possible relatives of them. So check that one out in the next video. We had the night to spend there, which was really cool because we really hadn't seen Bari at night yet.
Wow.
How it comes alive at night.
Your turn, jump!
It was popping. There were people everywhere, and there were these stalls, these food stalls that were like recognized by the city as like cultural places to go. And we were like, what the heck is this? They were right next to each other. We're like, we have to try it. What did it end up being?
What are you about to eat, Elijah? Why are you licking your jacket?
Fried polenta.
Ready? And it's called this, scagliozze.
Elijah, better chill. Hey.
Now we're gonna go for the sweet, which was called something. It's like a donut. That's what I'm talking about.
My little brother liked it.
It's just so cool walking around and enjoying that night. It was
Perfect end.
such a stereotype, honestly. People on their mopeds and motorcycles riding through the small streets, and kids playing ball by the church, and
Damn, Italy. Damn.
it was amazing. Yeah. So that was that, and the next day was New Year's Eve, and we had our flight back to home in Segundo, Spain.
And that is where we stopped telling you about this, because that'll be for another video.
The end.